Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see the code for inherited method, overridden method and specialized method. In the class 2, we will take a class. Inside this main method. Now, yesterday we have taken one example that is about of plane. So we will make a code with that. Take a class, plane. Inside that we have two methods. One is takeoff. Second one is fly. So this is a parent class. Now we'll take a child class. Class cargo plane extend plane. Inside this, we will take a two method. One is overridden method, another is specialized method. What is overridden method? It is present in the parent class, but it is modified. So we will modify this fly to cargo plane is flying at low height. Okay. So this is overridden method. We have modified this fly method. Now specialized method. What is a specialized method? It is not present in the parent class. It is present only in the child class. Void carry cargo. Okay. So this method is inherited in the child class. So we will not write this. We are modifying this method, fly method. So we will write this fly method by modifying it. And this is cargo. It is not present in the parent class. It is only present in the child class. So it is a specialized method. Now we'll take another class. Class passenger. And the second method, so here passenger plane is carrying. Now we will take a object. So these are the two. Now I will call the methods cp dot takeoff, cp dot fly, and cp dot land. These are the three methods. Now in pp dot takeoff, pp dot fly, and pp dot carry passenger. Now we will run. So this is the output. Plane is takeoff, cargo plane is flying at low height, and plane is landing, plane is takeoff. So how the output is coming? See, we are creating the object of this cargo plane and we are calling this takeoff. Now takeoff is present in the parent class, that is here. But we can also call it from the child class because the parent class method is inherited in the child class. That's why we are getting this output plane is takeoff. Second one fly. So here we are overriding the method in the cargo plane. So that's why we are getting the output as cargo plane is flying at low height. Then the third one is cp dot flying. So here we didn't give any, sorry, there is a land. Okay, third one is land. So here in the child class we are not giving any land. So it will inherit it from the parent class, that is plane. So that's why here we are getting plane is landing. Again the same thing for the passenger plane. We are giving takeoff, so it is printing. Fly, we are overriding this fly method. That's why we are getting passenger plane is flying at medium height. And then we are calling this carry passenger method here. Okay, now there is also a carry cargo method. So we can also call that. So we will call that now. Run. See, we are getting this cargo plane is carrying cargo. So here inherited method is giving output with the child class, means we are making an object of child class, then also we are getting this inherited method. So there is three method: inherited method, overridden method, and specialized method. So we are not writing this inherited method in the child class, then also we are able to print this. And the second one is overridden method. We are modifying this method. So when we are calling this child, means making the object of this child, that time we can call this overridden method. And the specialized method, which is not present in the parent class, it is only present in the child class. This is the three methods. So that's all. Thank you.